Hey guys! Hey y'all! Hey everybody! Alright, I'm back with another makeup tutorial today, and today I'm going to be doing a fall look on the eyes. So I've got my City Mini palette from Maybelline. It looks like, if I can open it, this. If y'all can see that. It's very shiny and shimmery on some of the shades. And then green-ish on the others. Okay. So I've already done my foundation, my blush. I did my highlighter. And I just need to do my eyes, my mascara, and my lips, and we'll be finished for the video. I am getting ready for church right now, so I'm filming this at about 1, like church tonight, that I'm going to. I'm going to be meeting a photographer that travels the world, and she's looking for help, so that might be an option for me to get into photography more. Okay, so let's dive right in. I'm going to be starting with my Milani palette. Looks like this. And I'm going to dive into the first shade in the palette and put that all over the eyes. Oh Lord, my eyelids are creased. Okay, there we go. Can y'all see me okay today? I have my light on a little bit crooked. I think that's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade right underneath that one, this one right here, it's not named, and I'm going to put that in the crease and a little bit above the crease. Alright, we got that next transition shade on, and now we're going to dive into this shade right here. Y'all, I'm so tired and I have to go to school tomorrow and I'm not looking forward to it. Okay, so we've got that transition shade on. Now we're going to take the crease brush right here and we're going to dive into the darkest brown, the second to darkest brown. I'm going to dive into this one right here. Alright, now we are going to take, let's dive into the City Mini palette, and I'm going to take this dark green shade and put that on the outer edge of the eye. I'm trying to find my mirror that I'm going to use. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take, we're going to take some concealer and I'm going to make it into a halo eye. Alright, now I'm going to take this brush and make it, fix the concealer. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, moving on, we're going to do the halo eye. Alright, now we're going to take the same brush after I wipe it off. And I'm going to take this, this shade right here and mix it with this shade and put it on the halo part of the halo line. Alright, now we're going to take that blending brush that I was using earlier, and we're going to take a little bit of the lighter brown and like blend it in. Alright, now we're going to take this brush again and we're going to tap into the white and the lighter green out of the palette and put that even more on the center. Alright, let me zoom y'all in and show y'all what it's looking like. Oops, wrong one. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. And that's without putting the glitter on yet and the underneath the eye area. Oh, and we're gonna put on a little bit of eyeliner today. So I'm going to take this bitsy metallic cream eyeshadow. I can open it. Okay, and we're going to pat that on the center of the eye. Okay, that's that eye and this eye. I need to put on some eyeliner. So I'm going to take this black one, warm it up on the back of my hand. Oh, that's the brown. My bad. And now we're going to go in on the top of the eyes and line them. Alright, we've got the eyeliner on, and now it is time for mascara. Alright, now we have to do some lipstick. And I'm going to be using the Avon Glazewear Liquid Lip Color in the shade. It didn't really say. I guess it's Glazewear. Yeah. Oh, it looks like this. Alright guys, that is it for today. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Ring that notification bell. Comment down below and share it with all of your friends. Alright guys, see ya!